Good morning children, welcome to today's English class. Today you are going to learn new lesson from your textbook. Okay, so come on my dear lovely children, let's begin today's class. Dear children, open page number 46. So this is your new lesson, lesson number 4. So up to this lesson, okay, till this lesson I'll give you for midterm. Okay, midterm exam you have to do practice till this lesson. Okay children, so this is lesson number 4. Name of the lesson is The Skylark. Spell it dear children with me. T-H-E, the S-K-Y, sky, L-A-R-K, lark, skylark, the skylark. So skylark means one bird dear children. Here see, look at this picture. Okay, one bird. So this lesson is about bird, skylark. Okay, so before going to start this lesson, let's do warm up. Everyone enjoys music and many like to sing. So everyone we are liking to listen music, right children? Do you enjoy listening to music, listening to songs? Yes or no? So tell me who is your favorite singer? Tell me dear children, who is your favorite singer? You all are liking film songs, right children? So what kind of songs do you like? Tell me what kind of songs do you like? Have you ever seen any bird singing? Have you ever seen birds singing? So take turns to sing a few lines of your favorite song. So in this story you are going to learn, okay, skylarks singing. How to sing the skylark bird. Okay, and you also sing your favorite song, few lines. Okay children, so first, some birds too love to sing. These birds are known for their sweet songs. Some birds do. Some birds can sing dear children. For example, here see some of the birds are given here. Nightingale, cuckoo, skylark. So nightingale is singing nicely and cuckoo also, okay, cuckoo sings very beautifully. Here also skylark also can sing dear children. These birds are known for their sweet songs. So these birds are very famous for their songs. So dear children, songs are given, music, okay, music gives us happiness, okay, happiness, pleasure, mood, okay. So in this story you are going to learn the birds singing, okay. Okay, so let's start reading. Let us start reading. King Lalchi had many beautiful things in his palace. Here see, who is King Lalchi? King. Okay. He is the man. His name is Lalchi. He had many beautiful things in his palace. Okay. Our palace alli beautiful things, costly things alla ittante. He had marvelous jewels, vases, paintings and carpets. So in his, okay, his beautiful palace, he had marvelous jewels, means very beautiful, wonderful, costly jewelries and vases, okay, and paintings, beautiful paintings and carpets also. When he spotted something new, he took it and put it in his palace. If he find any beautiful things, is he spotted something new, different one, means what he will do? He will took it, he will collect it and keep it in his palace. So this is his daily activities. Okay children. So one King Lalchi, his name is Lalchi, he is a king and he had many beautiful things in his palace, and if he is liking any special, any new things means he used to collect and keep it in his palace. So this is his habit, dear children. Next page. It will make me happy, he said. So what he thought? Okay, he is collecting something new things, no? So it will give him very happy. Okay, very happy, so that he collected all the new things and kept it in his palace. But King Lalchi was not happy. But what happened? He is collecting all the things, new things, and he is keeping his palace very beautifully, but also he is not happy. Why? Let's see. He felt old and tired and sad. He felt always, he felt very tired and very sad, and he feel very old also, feeling tired, sad. Here, look at this picture. Okay, he is looking very sad, no? Okay, very sad. ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ ಅಷ್ಟು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೇನು ಕೂಡ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫುಲ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟಯರ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಯಾಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹರ್ಡ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಒನ್ ಡೇ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? king heard a beautiful song. Suddenly, one day what happened? He heard a beautiful song. Who is singing there? The skylark, dear children. Okay, skylark is a bird. Look at this picture. Skylark is a bird. So skylark is singing a bird, singing a song. He closed his eyes and listened. What happened? He closed his eyes and listened. This song is very smoothly, very beautifully. Okay, so the song attracted him very much. It was a song about sunshine. So that song is about what, dear children? Sunshine. Okay, a flowering river, a gentle breeze. So it was a song about joy, dear children. So that song the skylark is singing, no, that song is about sunshine, flowering river, gentle breeze, and about joy, dear children. So simply we can say this song about nature. Okay, this song about nature. So he is listening very calmly, and this song is very beautiful, and he is very much interested to listen the song. For the first time in his life, the king felt happy. For the first time, what happened in his life? He felt happy. So overall his life is going like fully sad, fully tired, fully old. But now what happened? After listening the song, he felt happy. Okay, who is singing that song? Who is singing that song? So who is singing that song? Now he is searching. Okay, he is searching. Who is singing that song? This song is very beautiful, no? Who is singing that song? Like that he started searching, dear children. The king asked his helpers. Helpers means what? Who, children? Here see. Here see, helpers. Okay, so the king, okay, king asked to his helpers. So helpers, who is helpers here? King's helpers. So these are army man or irtaralla, so aurge helpers, king helpers. So they are going to find the singer. Who is the singer? Who is singing the song like that? Bring him to me. The king told them. What? Bring that singer. Okay, I want to see that who is singing that song. I want to stay in my palace. So his habit is what, dear children? If he is feeling any new one and any feeling in different one, means he used to keep in his palace. No. So like that singing also, that song also, he was very much interested to listen, and it gives much happiness. So that what happened, he wanted to keep that singer in his palace. I want him to sing every day. So I want ಅವನಿಗೆ ಡೈಲಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ he ordered to his helpers. So what happened? The king's helpers searched everywhere. What happened here? See, the king's helpers going to the outside, and they are searching the singer. They could not find the singer. So what happened? They could not find the singer. ಅದು ಸಿಂಗರ್ ಯಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, at last they asked a young girl. Here look at this picture ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, at last what happened? He asked to the young girl, one girl. Okay, who is singing that song? They asked to the girl, young girl, who is singing that song? So the helpers want to take the singer to the palace. Okay, dear children. Next, at last they asked a young girl who is singing that song. So here see, young girl. Who is young girl? Here see, look at this picture. Okay, look at carefully this picture. She is the young girl, and the helpers asked to the young girl, who is that singer? Who is singing there? No, who is that singer? Like that they asked to the young girl. It is Skylark. It is not a human. Okay, or yaru manusharalla. That is Skylark. Skylark means what? Bird. Okay, Skylark is singing. The girl replied. Okay, the girl is replied that Skylark is singing there. Look up. So ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಸ್ಕೈಲಾರ್ಕ್ ಸಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅಂತ. ಲೈಕ್, ಓಕೆ, ದೇರ್ he is high in the sky. So Skylark is high in the sky, because the skylark, all the birds, okay, while flying they singing. Okay, like that the skylark flying very happily, and the skylark is very nicely, beautifully singing. The helpers looked up, catch him. They shouted, take him to the king. What happened? The helpers looked up, catch him. What? They catch, okay, catch him. And what happened? They shouted, take him to the king. They want to take the skylark to the king, to the palace. Okay, and they caught them. No, the girl cried, don't catch it. Okay, don't catch it. Let it to fly. The bird, okay, let it to fly, don't catch it. Please don't take him. Let him to fly in the sky. So let him to fly in the sky. Then only it feels happy, and it feels it sing very nicely. Okay, if you are catching means what will do? It will not sing nicely. So that don't catch him. Like that the girl started crying. Next page, see 48, page number 48. King and helpers, and they are having this one, okay, skylark. But the king's helpers did not listen to the girl. They watched and they waited soon. So what happened? The king's helpers not listened to the girl. ಅವಳು ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. Soon the skylark flew down. He was now sitting on a low branch of a tree. So what happened? When the skylark come down, and sitting off the branch of a tree, the helpers caught the bird and took him to the ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೆಲ್ಪರ್ಸು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ದ ಬರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟುಕ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್. ಸಿ, ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಂಗರ್ ದೇ ಸೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಕಿಂಗ್, look at here, king, here is the singer, they said. What? The king cried. What? This is the singer. Skylark is the singer. How? Like that the king cried. This is just a small brown bird. This is not a singer. This is small brown bird. Just a bird. This is just a bird. How it can sing? Tell me. Like that the king cried. He cannot sing such a beautiful song, such a beautiful voice, such a beautiful song. This bird cannot sing. That is not possible. Like that. Put him into that golden bird cage. So, put him. ಅದು ಬರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ, ಕೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಡ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, he said, we will listen to him. Okay, let's see. ಅದು ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the skylark felt miserable. Miserable means what? Here see, miserable means very sad. So again the king is not happy, and here the skylark is also very miserable, very sad, because what happened? He don't want to sing in a cage. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸ್ಕೈಲಾರ್ಕ್ ವಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫ್ಲೈ ಇನ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ he don't want to stay in the cage. So the king waited and waited, but the skylark did not sing. Okay, king is waiting. Okay, because he wants to listen the song of skylark. But what happened? Skylark is very upset, so that skylark didn't sing any song. You fools, next page. You fools, the king shouted at his helpers. So king was very very angry. Okay, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? Because skylark is not singing, no, so that he was very much upset and he was very much angry. So that what happened? The king shouted at his helpers. Okay, ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಶೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಜೋರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. This isn't the singer. Okay, this isn't the singer. Put this bird outside. Okay, this is not the singer. Okay, you are mistakenly bring here. Okay, this is not the singer. Put this bird outside. Okay, let him fly. Okay, put this bird outside. The skylark flew away and started to sing again. What happened? Now the skylark is flying very happily in the sky, and what happened again? He is very happy now, so started singing again. The young girl looked up and smiled. Again the young girl is here, one girl is there, no, young girl. That girl is seeing the skylark, and she is listening the song of skylark, and she is very happy to looked up and smiled. I am the fool, the king thought. He closed his eyes and listened to the song. He smiled happily. So the king thought himself, what? I am the fool. He is the best singer. Okay, the skylark is the best singer, beautiful singer. I am the fool. Okay, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೈಲಾರ್ಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓಕೆ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹಾಡು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಫೂಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ದ ಫೂಲಿಶ್. ಲೈಕ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ he thought. He closed his eyes and listened to the song. He smiled happily. So what happened? He closed his eyes. Again, he is sitting on the chair and closed his eyes, and what happened? Listened the song, and he smiled very happily. Again, he is feeling very happy to listen the music of the skylark. Okay children, so over this lesson over. Okay, in this month 25th onwards you have midterm exam. Okay, so that I am doing the lessons very fastly. So okay na, ನೀವು adjust ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, for this month you have exam, no? So up to this much, okay, the skylark lesson ವರೆಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಡಿಯರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆವಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಕೋಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೀ. So stay happy forever dear children. Thank you so much. Dear children, this is your lesson about King Lalchi. King Lalchi is a person. He is the main character. He is the king of this story. And here bird, one more main character is skylark bird dear children. And two more helpers, king's helpers. Okay, helpers. Then one young girl. So these are the main characters in this story. Okay, king is very much upset. So one day what happened, he listened the skylark singing and he wants to keep the skylark in his palace. But what happened, he didn't sing when the skylark is in the cage. Okay, he don't want to sing when he was in cage. Okay, so what happened, the skylark feels very bad, very upset, so that the skylark didn't sing any songs. Okay, so after that the kings released him, and when he fly in the sky, no, the skylark again started singing very happily. Okay, this is the story, and the young girl was very happy while she listening the song of skylark. Okay, so this is the story about the skylark. The question answers I'll send in the evening time. Okay children, so prepare well for test dear children.